Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, June 12th, 2023. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have increasing clouds throughout the region. Some areas are overcast with a few showers down towards Philadelphia. Winds are from the southeast around 5 to 15 miles per hour, and temperatures range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower 70s in your suburbs, and upper 60s to lower 70s in your urban areas. That wind coming from the southeast is going to be a very important factor for our forecast for today. In some locations, it will prevent the potential for severe thunderstorms because it's transporting an Atlantic air mass into the region. But in other locations like southeastern Pennsylvania and southern New Jersey, especially southwest New Jersey, the southeasterly wind and the winds aloft coming in from the southwest create what we call vertical wind shear. And that increases the potential for severe thunderstorms, even ones that could produce an isolated tornado or two. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that as we move on through the afternoon and evening hours. When we take a look at our current radar and surface map from WeatherTap, this warm front will be lifting to the north and east, and because it's initially moving through southwest New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania first, it will set up an environment where we'll have instability the longest. So that will allow our conditions to warm up faster in these locations and increase the potential for severe thunderstorms. This warm front, though, will have a harder time getting through locations like the New York City Metro and the Poconos and the Catskills. So the atmosphere will be a little bit more stable as a result, but it still opens up the potential for heavy downpours as this cold front approaches from the west and lifts towards New England, which is going to lead to showers and thunderstorms. Now, when we take a look at our surface, our visible satellite picture, you can see pretty clearly the influence of that warm front. To the north and east of the warm front, we have overcast cloud cover and we have cool conditions. To the south and west of that warm front, the skies start to clear just enough in this area to create what we call instability. So that instability increases potential for thunderstorms. So we're going to be watching this very carefully as it starts to approach the region. A little bit zoomed out on the infrared satellite picture, you can see the upper level low associated with this cold front. And this upper level low is going to be a real issue throughout the rest of this week. Now, the good news is that it won't be positioned to the east of us, which means we don't have that north and northwesterly wind pattern impacting our region. Instead, it's going to be slowly inching its way through the eastern Great Lakes and towards New England as we move on through this week, which means we remain in a bit of an unsettled weather pattern and temperatures averaging near to slightly below normal throughout much of the week, with a pesky shower here and there once this upper level low starts to finally move through. In the meantime, this cold front will introduce the potential for showers and thunderstorms tonight. So let's dive into this forecast. And the first thing I want to do is just show you what we call our mesoscale forecast. And basically this is the HRR guidance. The NAM is about the same. They're both mesoscale models, short range models that really zoom in and really good for use with showers and thunderstorms. And you can see throughout the day today into the early afternoon, we'll have a pesky shower here and there approaching the region, but most of the rainfall will remain off to our west. But by the time we get towards the latter part of the afternoon hours, those thunderstorms will start to move into portions of southwestern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania. And this is where I think we'll have the best potential for some severe thunderstorms. And you can see that very clearly here. Some nice definition here with some turning in the atmosphere and perhaps a little bit of a bow echo as well. So these thunderstorms will be capable of featuring heavy downpours, frequent lightning, small hail, wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, and yes, possibly an isolated tornado. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. The rest of the region, though, as you can see, we end up with a little bit different dynamic here where we get more widespread heavy rainfall this evening into the overnight hours, supporting very heavy downpours capable of some localized flash flooding. So that's something we're definitely going to have to watch out for as we move through the evening and the overnight hours as this lifts off to our northeast. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, showers and thunderstorms will be approaching the region with increasing cloud cover. Winds will start to shift from the southeast to the southwest as the warm front starts to lift through. Look for high temperatures ranging from the upper 70s to lower 80s over the northern interior, lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley, upper 70s to lower 80s along the New Jersey coast, but lower to mid 70s around Long Island and Connecticut. Again, that's where the divide of our warm front. For tonight through tomorrow morning, those showers and thunderstorms will move through, clearing out by tomorrow morning right around rush hour. Look for low temperatures to fall off into the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, a series of troughs will pass through the region with scattered cloud cover. An isolated shower can't be ruled out, especially as this cold front continues to lift off into New England. Look for high temperatures to range from the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast. Now on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, a series of troughs will move through the region, and each day there will be a threat for a pesky shower or two. Temperatures are pretty much going to remain uniform. Over the interior, look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s and high temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s. In the Delaware River Valley, low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s and high temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s. And along the coast, low temperatures will range from the mid to upper 50s and high temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s. On Saturday, we'll get a bit of a break. Again, an isolated shower is still possible, but for the most part, most of the region will remain dry. Look for low temperatures to range from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 70s over the northern interior, upper 70s to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley, and lower to mid 70s along the coast. On Sunday, an area of low pressure will approach with scattered showers. There's some debate at just how far north this low pressure system will get, with the European guidance suggesting more of possibly a moderate to heavy rainfall along the coast here on Sunday. The ensembles, though, is a little bit more spread out, so we're going to go with scattered showers right now. Temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast for lows. High temperatures, though, because of the showers and overcast cloud cover, won't get much warmer, with high temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast, and upper 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley. And on Monday, that low pressure system exits with scattered cloud cover and isolated showers still a threat as we continue to have troughs swing through the region. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s away from the coast and lower to mid 70s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.